When they tell you advocating for basic human rights for Palestinian people means you are anti-Semitic, tell them that Palestinians are Semites of peace.
People came together alongside the Palestinian community to show their support in the midst of the ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict.
I'm here in support of Palestine and all Palestinians all over the world.
I'm here because we need to speak up for all the atrocities that this system is committing to us.
Religious leaders led the crowd in prayer and offered words of encouragement for attendees whose family members live in Gaza and areas affected by the conflict. City officials barred the organizers from holding the event at City Hall, a change from previous years.
I hope the city shows the same kind of treatment to the Palestinian community, that it same level of respect that it shows for other communities. So that means having this event like in City Hall instead of being pushed out into a different part of the city.
Residents also expressed the importance of this event to the Palestinian community.
This event means that Palestinians are recognized as contributors, as taxpayers, as constituents here in the city of Philadelphia. It means that we're recognized, we're acknowledged, we're not forgotten about, and we really uplift and empower them to see the Palestinian excellence that resides here in the city of Philadelphia.